Best food recipes in Core Keepers. Core Keeper is all about striking the right balance between exploring, fighting, and managing resources. If you want to succeed, here's a quick guide to boost your gameplay with food strategies that can give you the upper hand in tough situations. Step 1. Prioritize farming and fishing early. At first glance, farming and fishing might seem like side activities, but don't be fooled, they're critical for gathering ingredients to create powerful food that enhances your abilities. Spend time growing crops and catching fish to stock up on the resources you'll need later. Step 2. Craft recipes to boost your stats. Food isn't just for health, it can give your character buffs that make combat and exploration much easier. Different combinations of ingredients will impact various aspects of gameplay like mining efficiency, combat strength, and health regeneration. Experiment with recipes that suit your playstyle. Step 3. Power up for combat with the right dishes. Before heading into battle, craft dishes tailored to your needs. For example, Dark Crystal Sushi, Jasper Anglefish plus Dark Lava Eater, is great for melee builds, increasing your survival during prolonged fights. Shiny Meat Steak, Marbled Meat plus Shiny Larvae Meat, boosts critical hit chance and damage, making it a solid all-rounder. Step 4. Prepare special dishes for boss fights. Once you're deep into the game and facing tougher bosses, start cooking rare foods for extra advantages. Yummy Mole Cheese, Dodo Egg plus Golden Puffin, is a must-have as it increases damage to bosses while reducing the damage you take. Step 5. Keep mining efficient with resource-boosting meals. Need to gather resources quickly? Craft dishes that enhance mining speed and damage. The White Fossil Sushi is perfect for boosting mining efficiency, helping you gather resources faster for upgrades. Final tip: adapt your food to your combat style. Whether you're going for a melee or ranged build, food is key to increasing your damage and attack speed. For versatile combat scenarios, the Sweet Fruit Smoothie is a great choice, enhancing both melee and ranged attack capabilities. By mastering the use of food in Core Keeper, you'll find yourself better equipped to explore dangerous territories and defeat powerful enemies with confidence. Happy exploring! And guys, if you found this video helpful, so please consider liking this video, because this is only motivation for me. And bye bye and take care.